99% of people don't know these home gadgets exist, but once you see them, you'll never look at your house the same way again. Wait till the end, the final gadget is absolutely mind-blowing. With this air conditioner wine deflector, you finally won't get woken up by cold air blowing directly on you while sleeping in summer. It can be easily installed on the air conditioner, and the 4 built-in wind wheels turn the direct airflow into circulating air without affecting the room's cooling. The angles of the deflector and wind wheels can be adjusted freely. It also works with standing air conditioners in the living room. If you have elderly people or children at home, you should definitely get one. Nowadays, many people don't like using soap, not because it's bad, but because it's hard to store. This punch-free suction cup draining soap holder is really convenient. It has a double compartment design that can be placed vertically or horizontally, and the angle can be adjusted freely. After using soap, placing it on top lets water drain quickly. The suction cup can also be removed and repositioned, and it works on countertops or walls. Install it in the kitchen, and you can also store various cleaning tools neatly and hygienically. This rice spoon is truly a must-have for every household. No matter how you scoop rice, not a single grain sticks to it. Even if you press hard on the rice, it still won't stick like ordinary spoons do. It's made of safe resin material, and both sides have non-stick raised particles, so you never have to worry about sticky rice again. It's easy to clean, and the back has a floating right-angle design, allowing it to rest flat on the table without the spoon head touching the surface, keeping it clean and hygienic. This little gadget is called a deodorizing pop-up sink filter core. It works with a press switch. One light press seals the drain and stores water. It features a flower-shaped ceramic pop-up core with a filter net underneath that catches hair and debris to prevent pipe blockage. No more worrying about clogged drains. Replace your sink stopper with this anti-clog, odor-proof pop-up drain. While cooking, you definitely need a pot lid holder that lets you store the lid conveniently. It keeps the countertop clean and hygienic. This ceramic draining tray paired with a thickened 304 stainless steel rack works great. It can hold lids of different sizes and even store spatulas. It's easy to wash when dirty. Place it beside the sink to hold washed cutting boards and pot lids for ventilation and drainage. If you have this kind of TV cabinet at home, you should get this light, luxury-style cabinet mat. Made from PVC material, it's waterproof, oil-proof, and highly wear-resistant. With it, you won't have to worry about stains or scratches on the cabinet surface. This hook that can be used both horizontally and vertically is really practical. Clip it onto the edge of a desk, and school bags no longer need to take up space on the table. The buckle-style installation is simple and secure, with strong load-bearing capacity. Different kinds of bags can hang firmly without falling. It's removable and repositionable without damaging the surface. Install it on a cabinet edge to hang umbrellas, handbags, or hats wherever needed. This freely extendable magnetic shoe rack is something every household should install. It can magnetically attach directly to doors or stick onto walls. It can store frequently worn sneakers and slippers with its double-layer design. The length can be adjusted freely to organize messy shoes neatly, and it can even store umbrellas. You should always wear gloves while doing housework to protect your hands. These thickened gloves are easy to put on and take off with widened elastic cuffs that won't slip down. The palms are covered with anti-slip particles, making dishwashing and scrubbing very convenient while protecting your hands well. Anyone who often does housework should keep a pair at home. When guests come over, you'll realize how useful this fruit tray is. It has a raised, draining design with trendy dopamine-style colors that look elegant and stylish. The bottom has drainage holes so you can wash fruit directly in it. Excess water drains into the base, preventing fruit from soaking. It looks beautiful anywhere you place it. If your family eats eggs often, you should get this flip-style egg storage rack. Its 3-layer rotating design keeps eggs securely in place without sliding. It can hold up to 36 eggs at once and makes them easy to access. It fits neatly in the refrigerator and helps keep eggs fresh. If you love instant noodles, you need this disposable instant noodle bowl. After eating, just throw it away without washing dishes. The design is brilliant. It even comes with a fork. Put the noodles inside, pour in hot water, and the fork doubles as a sealing clip. Once the noodles are ready, just open and eat. Truly a lazy person's essential. Ever since I placed these disposable, non-woven shoe covers at my entrance, life has become much more convenient. When guests visit, there's no need to provide slippers or feel awkward. The pull-out design makes them easy to use one by one. They're elastic enough to fit different shoe sizes snugly without slipping off. The non-woven material is anti-slip, wear-resistant, washable, portable, and reusable. This kitchen design is so practical. Place it beside the stove wall, and while cooking, you can conveniently rest the pot lid on it instead of dirtying the countertop. It's anti-slip and can hold different sizes of lids as well as spatulas and spoons. Raised edges keep dirty water from leaking onto the counter. Made from soft silicone, it's heat-resistant and can even be used as a heat pad. Rinse it with water to clean it easily. It's also useful beside the sink for holding washed cutting boards to drain and ventilate. I finally found a 360-degree rotating gap cleaning brush with a built-in spray function. Cleaning floors is now much easier. It has a spray bottle design and V-shaped bristles with the perfect balance of softness and firmness, allowing it to clean corners and gaps effortlessly. It also includes a silicone scraper to remove water stains from mirrors and glass. Hidden inside the handle is a small tweezer for removing hair from floor drains. Nowadays, clothes hangers are designed to be extendable. They're very convenient for drying bed sheets and quilt covers. The built-in wind-proof clips prevent clothes from slipping off, while the thickened design makes them durable. When retracted, they can also function as regular hangers. Truly a household essential. You probably never imagined that ginger, garlic, and green onions could be frozen for long-term storage. These transparent divided storage containers are perfect for storing chopped ingredients and even organizing meat separately. The lids prevent dust, insects, and odor mixing. They can be stacked in the refrigerator without taking up much space. Look at this water scraper. After washing your face or cleaning the kitchen counter, you can simply scrape away water with it. It works much better than a rag. The cute design and soft rubber blade leave no watermarks on mirrors or sinks. It also has built-in storage and 5 functions in one: a small brush for cleaning corners, tweezers for removing hair from drains, and a mini scraper for stubborn dirt in gaps. Every kitchen should have a heat-resistant gripping tong like this. Mine is a 4-in-1 design. One end has anti-slip gripping jaws for holding bowls securely, even plates. The other end has a wide-opening soft silicone grip for carrying dishes steadily. It's heat-resistant and perfect for handling hot food like sweet potatoes or eggs. It also has serrated jaws and a bottle opener for cracking nuts or opening tight bottle caps easily. After use, it clips closed neatly for storage. A wall-mounted foldable prep rack in the kitchen is incredibly useful. Instead of taking up counter space, it mounts on the wall without drilling. Prepared ingredients can be placed on it securely, and it's very convenient while cooking. It can also stand on the countertop, and when not in use, it folds away to save space. I finally found a pot cleaning brush that keeps your hands clean and safe from heat. Its design is amazing. No more scrubbing pots directly with your hands. The bristles are moderately soft and firm, cleaning effectively without damaging cookware. Change the brush head to an upright position, and it can even clean deep inside blenders. The rounded handle feels comfortable to hold and is also useful for cleaning stovetops. Surprisingly, dish brushes now come with built-in soap dispensers. Fill it once with detergent and it lasts a long time. The dense, flexible bristles dispense soap with a gentle press, making cleaning easy and safe for your hands. It cleans pots and dishes without scratching coatings, and can also clean vegetable baskets and various kitchen utensils thoroughly. Have you seen this pot lid holder? It's incredibly creative. Designed like an apple, it uses gravity to automatically grip the lid securely without tipping over. It can hold lids of different sizes and makes them easy to remove. It can also ventilate and drain cutting boards after use. This next item is really impressive. Anyone who cooks often will instantly understand its usefulness. The double-layer design stores different pot lids neatly, while chopsticks and spatulas can rest on top without dirtying the counter. The removable drip tray can be detached and rinsed clean easily. Place it beside the sink to hold washed cutting boards and pot lids for drainage and ventilation. Whoever invented this wave-shaped soap holder is a genius. It's extremely practical for storing soap. The foldable, extendable wave design includes anti-slip pads at the bottom to prevent sliding. Different soaps can be stored separately in a clean and hygienic way. After use, simply place the soap on top so it can ventilate and drain properly. Every home should definitely have one.